45 minutes to work and 45 minutes back. Thank you, Swag. Thank you for the gifts, honey. Get a couple of acres and start building a simple house. Live and expand as you grow. Yeah, I want to live off the land. It'll happen one day. I'm from Colorado and New Mexico. We live in Oklahoma. Thank you for the follow, Danny.
Daddy, daddy, daddy. Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to snow here on Friday, so I hope we'll not have to go to work and I can just relax. Thank you, Danny. If anybody wants to donate to my GoFundMe, since we lost everything from mold, look at my bio. I think it's what? GoFund.me/faith-skip-16gen. It's the weirdest shit ever. Or my PayPal's on here. We gotta get shit back in here. Thank you. Thank you for the follow, Valentine. So beautiful. I out water. You're out of water? I can't live without water. I need my water, baby. Grandma needs her water, boys. Ow. They can search by... Oh, they can? Okay, good. I didn't know that. Thank God. Because that is annoying to say. I literally had to start memorizing that. Thank you, Swag. Happy New Year. I'm just so thankful God put a roof over our head. I'm still waiting to hear back if they're even going to help us out with... We didn't live there, and we suffered, so we shouldn't have... I should be able to get my month's rent back. I want cash money. I really do. I want my money back. Yes, we do have a heater in here. Like you, when I was stationed in Hawaii. What? Do you have anyone in your family that was in the Marines? I served with a man with your last name. Yes, I do. Dustin, he's my cousin. Dustin, he was a Marine. Sean Payne, Dustin Payne. Sean is his dad. Dustin is my cousin. He's from Aztec, New Mexico. Is that who you're talking about? Thank you for the follows. And thank you for your service.